Full form of KYC. Answer is Know Your Customer. What is the capital of Iran? Answer is Tehran. What is the capital of Egypt? Answer is Cairo. Santosh Trophy related to what? Answer is football. Miss India 2009. It was given to whom? Suman Rao. 1st May is celebrated as what? International Labour Day. Male is the capital of what? It is the capital of Maldives. Kaziranga National Park is located where? In Assam. How much protein is in milk present? 3.4 grams. Hawa Mahal is located at where? Jaipur, Rajasthan. Full form of GDP. Answer is Gross Domestic Product. Baby of horse is called what? It is called as colt. A male donkey is called as what? It is called as jack. A female donkey is called as what? It is called as Jenny. Who is the father of our nation? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the first president of India? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Answer is skin. Gidda is the folk dance of which Indian states? Answer is Punjab. Who invented computer? Answer is Charles Babbage. 1024 kilobytes is equal to what? 1 megabyte MB. Brain of computer is what? CPU. India lies in which continent? It is situated in Asian continent. In which country are the Gaza pyramids located? Answer is Egypt. Where did the Statue of Liberty located? Answer is New York City. How many cricket World Cups does India have? Answer is 2 cricket World Cups. Name the first 3 planets in our solar system. Answer is Mercury, Venus and Earth. Which is the longest river on the earth? Answer is River Nile. Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for what? Famous for lions. Which animal has hump on its back? Answer is camel. Name 3 root vegetables. Answer is beets, carrots and radish. Name the game which is played with bat, ball and wickets. Answer is cricket. Smallest state of India is what? Answer is Goa. Fastest animal on the earth is what? Answer is cheetah. Which is the animal referred as the sheep of the desert? Answer is camel. Highest dam of India is what? Tengri Dam. The total distance around a figure is called its answer is perimeter. A figure with 8 sides is called as what? Answer is octagon. What color symbolizes peace? Answer is white. National tree of India is what? Answer is banyan tree. Agra is situated on the bank of which river? River Yamuna. National animal of India is what? Answer is tiger. What is the shape of an egg? Oval. Most widely spoken language in the world is what? Mandarin, Chinese. Which insect has colorful wings? Answer is butterfly. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. Name any reptile. Answer is lizard. Cataract is the disease of what? Eyes. Which organ purify our blood? Answer is kidney. Who wrote the national anthem Janaganamana? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. How many colors are there in the Indian national flag? Answer is 3 colors. Gateway of India is located at where? Answer is Mumbai. Who was Albert Einstein? A famous scientist. Capital of Uttarakhand is what? Answer is Dehradun. When do we celebrate our Independence Day? Answer is 15th August. Which planet is nearest to the Earth? Answer is Venus. We get solar energy from where? Answer is from the sun. Where does a dog live? Kennel. How many players are there in a cricket team? Answer is 11 members. Largest island in the world is what? Answer is Greenland. LBW is related to which sport? Answer is cricket. Young one of a cat is called as what? Answer is kitten. Which African nation is famous for chocolate? Answer is Ghana. Saina Nehwal is associated with which sports? Badminton. How many days are there in a leap year? Answer is 366 days. Olympic Games are held after every for how many years? 4 years. How many sides are there in a pentagon? Answer is 5 sides. A place where bees are kept is called as what? Aviary. Which is the biggest sea animal? Answer is Blue Whale. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Bill Gates. Who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Who was popularly known as Netaji? Subhash Chandra Bose. Which country does the company Sony come from? From Japan. Scientific study of birds is called ornithology. Who is the author of the book Broken Wing? Sarojini Naidu. Largest desert in the world is Sahara Desert. In which direction does the sun rise? East. Which food is the dance from which state? From Andhra Pradesh. United Nations Day is celebrated on what? 24th October. In which season we wear warm clothes? Winter season. A place where animals and birds are kept is called. Answer is zoo. Which fruit gives us oil? Coconut. Which jungle is the most dense in the world? The Amazon. The national song of India is what? Answer is Vande Mataram. What is the national bird of India? Answer is peacock. What is the national fruit of India? Answer is mango. National Education Day is celebrated on what? On which day? 11th November. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. When is Teachers' Day celebrated? September 5th. Which place is known as the Tea Garden of India? Assam. Which is the smallest bird? Answer is hummingbird. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Answer is Pacific Ocean. Which is India's largest freshwater lake? Wular Lake. Which is the tallest waterfall in the world? Angel Falls. How many players are there in a basketball team? Answer is 5 members. Which place is known as the Pink City of India? Jaipur. Old name of Mumbai was what? Bombay. Kolkata is situated on the river bank of Hooghly. How many legs does ants have? Answer is 6. What is the last day of the week? Answer is Sunday.